Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Mohamed Suleiman and Richman bin Daoudi. What a wow, guys. Chelsea is leading the Ballond'Or nominee list. Chelsea conquered the Ballond'Or nominee list. Chelsea is everywhere on the Ballond'Or nominee list. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, Chelsea is the best club in the world. Within some short period of time, Enzo Maresca from Championship last season to the Premier League, already he has been nominated, yes, included in the Ballond'Or nominee list. Arteta, so many matches in the Premier League, yes, they never see this opportunity and they never see this achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, Chelsea got 12 nominees on the Ballond'Or list. 1, 2, 3, up to 12, not 1, not 2, not 3. 1, 2, 3, up to what? 12. Let's look at them one after the other and come and do little discussion about them, guys. Yes, which one is possible for Chelsea to win? By the way, after this video, another video is coming about my Chelsea brother. Yes, we are going to talk about our incoming preseason game against Bayer Leverkusen and the next game against AC Milan before the season start kickoff. So please stay on this channel, stay on Football Lions, hit the like button, hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. If any new video come on this channel, you are going to be the first person to see it. Let's come and look at our nominees. Yes, the players who has been nominated, both the men and the women team, guys. What a wow, what a wow. Chelsea record setters, records upon records. This season is Chelsea season. This year is Chelsea year. In fact, they should change 2026 to Chelsea. I'm telling you. Nomination 2025 Ballond'Or. Estêvão Kopa trophy, which means that under 21 best player of the season. Yes. So Estêvão got nominated for that. They call it Kopa trophy. Enzo Maresca, main team coach of the year. Yes. Overall, across Europe and the world. And just to give this notice, this Ballond'Or is for all football clubs around the world. It's for all continents, not for only European teams. So that is why Estêvão is being nominated. The records he sent here was from Palmeiras, not Chelsea, because last season he wasn't in Chelsea. So Enzo Maresca, main team coach of the year, and Chelsea Football Club, main club of the year. This award, Chelsea ever won it before. Chelsea being the first club to win in 2021, if you can remember. The year we won the Champions League, Chelsea won this thing. Yes, main club of the year. And the women's side, our women team, the best club in Europe. Yes, Walke, captain, women Kopa trophy. Yes, that means women under 21. And Hannah Hampton, Yashin trophy, women best player. And Sonia Bombasta, women team coach of the year. And CFC women club of the year. Yes, and also Kopa being nominated for men player of the year. Guys, Kopa also nominated. So let's come and look at them. Enzo Maresca has been nominated with the list of coaches: Antonio Conte, Luis Enrique, Hansi Flick, Enzo Maresca, and Arne Slot. Yes, Ballond'Or men Johan Cruyff trophy nominee. So guys, do you think Enzo Maresca can win it? Yes, ahead of these managers, Conte, Enrique, Arne Slot, and Flick, guys, because when you look at especially the ending part of this season, Enzo Maresca was super fantastic. Yes, we beat European champions, tactical masterclass. Luis Enrique at the end won the club trophy. Yes, just from championship. And the way Enzo Maresca ended the Premier League season by giving Chelsea top 4, the difficult part, the difficult journey, Enzo Maresca maneuvered through. So guys, do you think our Enzo Maresca can win this trophy? Men Johan Cruyff trophy for coaches, best coaches of the year. And also Kopa has been nominated Ballond'Or 2025 men Ballond'Or nominees. They nominated for now 30 players has been nominated, and they will be reducing it till the top 3, till they pick the winner, the first person to win it. Yes, so now 30 names has been nominated, and Kopa name is among the first name: Jude Bellingham, Ousmane Dembele, Gianluigi Donnarumma, Desedo, Denzel Dumfries, Sekou Kourasi, Victor Gyökeres, Erling Haaland, Achraf Hakimi, Kvaratskhelia, Robert Lewandowski, Alex McAllister, Lautaro Martinez, Kylian Mbappe, Scott McTominay. Wow. McTominay United, and now he has been nominated among the 30 list to win the Ballond'Or. Whatever that means, United was the problem, not McTominay. Yes, Nominees, João Neves, Olise, Cole Palmer, Pedri, Rafinha, Declan Rice, Fabian Ruiz, Mohamed Salah, Van Dijk, Vinicius Junior, Vitinha, Florent Wies, and Lamine Yamal. Guys, among this name, who do you think will make the top 3 or even the top 5? Yes, and who will win it? In fact, I will say first Cole Palmer. I'm listening. I will say first Cole Palmer, Lamine Yamal, and Hakimi, Dembele, Donnarumma. This player deserve it, and even Mohamed Salah. But guys, see, if we are going to talk about football, Cole Palmer deserve it. I said it already. When you look at this season, the record this guy set, the achievement Cole Palmer made this season. See, Cole Palmer score goals more than Lamine Yamal. Yes, Cole Palmer and Lamine Yamal name is on top of the town. Yes, the player to win the Ballon d'Or. And Cole Palmer score goals more than him. If we are going to talk about Dembele was European champion. Then Cole Palmer became world champion. Cole Palmer also won European trophy, Conference League. Yes, it's part. And at the end of the day, Cole Palmer met Dembele team in the final and Woto humble him. So guys, Cole Palmer for me, I believe. See, all the 2 final, Cole Palmer score and assist. Cole Palmer assist. The Club World Cup final, Cole Palmer score and assist. The same as the Conference League. So for me, I believe that, not because I am a Chelsea fan. No. When I look at the records, when I look at the numbers, and when you look at the statistics, when we come to football, who play the most football, attractive football, talented football, like decisive football, Cole Palmer deserves this Ballon d'Or. Cole Palmer deserves it, guys. That is my humble opinion. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And let's come to the under 21, where Estêvão is being nominated. He's being nominated with the likes of Kobasi, Boadi, Louis Kelly, Mora, Yildiz, Yamal, Neves, Hodgson, Estêvão, and Dowie. So guys, these are the list. Yes, the Kopa Trophy under 21 players to win it. Young best under 21 players. Estêvão name is there. And in fact, see, sometimes I don't like this, because anytime that a player show these numbers as Estêvão and it is not in the European competition or any of the European teams, always they are underrated. Like Estêvão, the numbers and the records he's broke at the Brazilian league last season. See, because it wasn't Europe, nobody was talking about it, but it was insane. It wasn't easy. At age 17, the records Estêvão set, unbelievable, insane, mind-blowing. I'm telling you. Let's look at some of them, guys. He broke all Neymar records before turning 18. I'm telling you. Estêvão became the first player to give 31 goals and assists last season in the Brazilian league. Yes, superseding Neymar records on that. 31 goals and assists. He scored 21 goals that season and gave 10 assists. Estêvão. So I think Estêvão is underrated by his numbers because he wasn't playing for any of the European teams. Yes. By the way, let's look at some of his records at the Brazilian league last season. Estêvão, at age 17, he did it too. Not 18. Recently, he is 18 years of age. Yes. Titles at the age of 17. First time Brazilian champion. Yes, Brasileiro. Forgive me if I mention the names wrong. Yes, these are Brazilian words. One time Paulista champion, Paulistão. Brasileiro best 11, Brasileiro best forward, Brasileiro breakthrough player of the season, Brasileiro player of the season, and Paulistão best 11. This is insane. This is, look at young guy, young player, teenager, 17 years of age. Look at the records. Look at the achievement he made in the Brazilian league. And as I said, because it is not in Europe or any of the European team, this guy is underrated. So this trophy also, I think he deserves it. Estêvão deserves it ahead of any of the nominees. Yamal and Kobasi and what and what. Nothing Barcelona win this season. Won't come to European competition. They only won that domestic La Liga and what. They beat Real Madrid. No. So I can't compare Kobasi and Yamal to Estêvão. No. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Estêvão. Can he win it? Did he deserve it? Yes, when you look at the nominees, those he is challenging with. And our women team, I think this should not be a big argument here. We are winning everything. And even the best club, yes, we must win it. No, we deserve it 100%. Yes, when we look at the way Chelsea pop up during the scene, Chelsea was underrated. Yes, not even making top 4 at the end. We made top 4, winning the Conference League, winning the Club World Cup trophy against a big PSG side. Yes, the PSG team that everybody was talking that they are going to beat Chelsea, they are going to win the trophy. At the end, we delivered because of the surprise we showed to the world, the unbelievable thing we showed to the world. For me, I believe that Chelsea deserve to win the best club, yes, of the year. And our ladies, our women team, Sonia Bompasta, women team coach of the year, CFC Women Club of the year, and Hannah Hampton, Yoshin Trophy, Waki Captain, Women Kopa Trophy. Yes, so I think this should not be a debate. As I said, they are winning all. They are winning all. So guys, these are the nominees, Chelsea, our nominees in the Ballond'Or list. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Yes, do you think Chelsea we can win all? Where do you think we can win? And where do you think maybe we will slack off? Let me hear from you under the comment section.